Okay, what I'm going to be showing you here is a Zoom portable audio recorder. Sometimes they're called pocket recorders because they're portable and all that. Anyway, this thing works on AA batteries, and what it is, it's an audio recorder, and you could use it for all kinds of stuff like dictation, notes, and stuff like that. A lot of people use it for making videos. It captures the audio so cleanly. Now this one here is the H1 by a company called Zoom. It's been out for a while. It comes in different colors. This one here comes in blue, as you can see in the box, and you can use it, like I said, as an external audio recorder when you want to record lectures, or like I said, sometimes people, when they do videos, they want a cleaner sound than the audio on the camera, and so they use this thing because you can hold it right up close to you and speak right into it, and it records the audio. That's what this thing is. Let me unbox it right now. Okay, I'm about to unbox this thing, the recorder. So let's take it out, and as you can see, we have the recorder and a little manual, instructions, and there's the recorder itself. It's pretty tiny. Let's take it out, and it's got two microphones on there, so it does record in stereo. And like I said, this one's a blue one. It's got all kinds of little inputs on the sides, inputs and outputs, where you can plug in external microphones if you wish, or you can plug in a lavalier mic in here as well. It's got plugins for that. See that? But there, it's got also a USB. It's got the plug-in for the mic right there, as you can see. It's got fast or forward like a conventional recorder, and it's also got a USB port where you can connect it to your computer, download the files that you recorded on the unit. It has an internal memory, and you can also put SD cards in here, and there's a place right there for the SD card, so you put an external SD card in there that opens up and record onto that card. And here's also, if you want to put headphones in there, you can put headphones in there and listen to how the audio was recorded, and you can monitor it in real time. And here's the volume. You turn the volume up or down in order to suit you. Here's the back of it. It gives you some choices on how you want to record the audio, as far as the format, what kind of record, WAV format, and MP3 format. And it's got some other options in there for you. And then this is the other side right here. Like I said, this is where you can put your phone on to listen to it. And on the other side, it's got your controls. You can put like an external mic in there, fast or forward, so you turn the unit on and off. And then it has a little screen in the front of it where you can check the levels and the name of the file that you're recording. It automatically names them. And in the front here, it's got a record button where you can actually push it and start the recording and stop it. And this one, like I said, it's in the color blue. It comes in many different colors. This one's just in blue. And that's that. Let's see what else we can do on here. Okay, let's look at the manual real quick. It's just kind of like a quick start manual. There's a Zoom. And here it shows you all kinds of stuff on how to work the unit. And if you want to do special things with it, it shows you how to do that, how to set your volumes, how to connect things, how to transfer the audio to your computer, and how to play it back. And there's some more instructions there. So it's a tiny little instruction thing, but you know, it's very helpful. It'll show you exactly what to do and how to record and how to transfer the recording to your computer. How to work the unit, basically. So it's pretty thorough, and it's pretty easy to understand, and it's not pretty complicated. It's only, like I said, like a 8 or 10 page thing, because it's printed on the front and the back, and it folds out so you can kind of read on how to work it. Alright, let's see if we can work this real quick. So let's see if we can turn it on. I have put in the batteries, and the batteries go in this little compartment right here. Let's see if I can take it out. There it is. It's actually one battery. It's actually a AA battery that you could put in there. So let's put it back. There it is. One AA battery. Close the cover back on. Like I said, there's all the formats you can put on there. So I have that set just for a sample here. So let's see if we can turn this on and to get it going. The little zoom thing, okay? The little zoom recorder. So let's the side panel, we can turn it on. Let's turn it on right now. There's a little on button right there. And there it says hi, and it's on. There it is. So that's the recorder. When you first turn it on, it'll prompt you to put a date in there. I already did that beforehand. As you can see the levels are happening as I'm talking. And it does have a little built-in speaker, so when we play it back, it's not very loud. We'll try and hear it. So in order to record what we're talking right now, so let's do this as a sample. We're speaking into it right now. It's got the red button to record, which is pretty common in any unit that you want to record on. Even video has a red button for recording. So we're going to press this, and as you can see the display, it's already recording, and you can see the levels going as we're recording. So that's pretty cool. So right now we're recording. Now let's stop it, and to do that we can just press this red button again. There, and we stopped it. So now we want to playback. So right here on the side you'll see the playback button right here, and all we have to do is press that where it says playback there. It says mark, and then you'll see the little play/pause button there, right there, and that's where you play it back. So we're going to press that and then quickly turn it around and see if we can hear that. See the display, it's already recording, and you can see the levels going as we're recording. So that's pretty cool. So right now we're recording. Now let's stop it. And to do that, we can just press this. And there you go. It recorded it. So that's it. That's how you record audio into this little gadget here, which is actually pretty cool. Again, it's the Zoom audio recorder. There's the box right there. That's what it comes in. You can find this, pretty much anywhere, on the internet. It's pretty common, like I said, not a lot of people use it. That's what it looks like right there. That's the box. And that's the unit right there, right next to it. This is the unit. Check it out. It's worked real good for me. Pretty sure it'll work real good for you too. Alright, thanks a lot. See you later.